Hi, Tony here with day 5 of my tech tip advent calendar for December 2022. Today is Monday, the 5th of December. Now, the last few days we've talked about a lot of email related stuff. So that's professional looking email address, setting up your DMARC and your DKIM and your SPF records. Decent looking email signatures and how to spot phishing attacks. Today's tip is something completely different, and it's all about keeping your systems up to date. I see companies all over the place that are not doing this. They are running on Windows, they're running on Windows 10 or 11, and they think they're up to date, and they're not. Same with phones, mobile devices, tablets, those sorts of things. The whole reason these devices need to be updated is because things change so often. And, the likes of Microsoft and Google and Apple, they pay teams of people, thousands of dollars each month to go and ensure that their systems are as secure as possible. So their security teams are there working all month long, all year long, trying to find ways that hackers and scammers can infiltrate devices, networks, etc., etc. And they do everything they can to make sure that these systems are fail safe as much as possible. So, if you don't update your software and your operating systems, you are leaving yourself open for attack. Hackers and scammers will use exploits that haven't been patched as a way of breaching your systems, your networks, to garner information on your business that they can use to scam somebody else. So, my tip for today is go and check your laptop, your phone, your mobile device, and make sure that they are up to date. If you don't know how to do it, have a look in the comments because I'm going to put the main ways for you to check on an Android device, an Apple device, an Apple laptop or desktop, and a Windows laptop or desktop in the description. So if you're not sure how to do it, you can do it there. If you've got an IT support company or an IT department and they're remotely monitoring your devices, check with them, make sure that feature updates are being installed as well. Because Microsoft especially release feature updates twice a year. April, May time, and then November sort of time. So there was an update on both Windows 10 and Windows 11 last month, which should be rolling out anytime from the middle of last month to the end of the year across all of the Windows devices. So if you haven't got it yet and it's not coming through yet, check for updates at least once a week until you get that feature update download button that will come through. That's it for day 5. Check back tomorrow on Tuesday, the 6th of December for my next tip. I will leave you. I hope you have a good rest of the day.